What's going on, guys? This is me Mehdi Shakil and you are watching SSTec tutorial. So guys, in today's video I'm going to show you that how you can unlock the bootloader of your OnePlus 60 device. So without further ado, let's get started. But before that, if you're new to this channel, then please do subscribe this YouTube channel, and if you have already subscribed, then thank you so much. So guys, now you can see the OnePlus 60 device. Now to unlock the bootloader of your phone, go to settings, then go to about phone. Then from here, tap on 5 to 7 times on build number until you see a pop-up that say you are now a developer. Now go back and search for developer option. Then go to developer option and enable this allow OEM unlock this option. And also you have to enable the advanced reboot and the USB debugging on your phone. Now connect your phone with your computer. Now press the power off button and here you will get a 3-dot option. Tap here and you will get 2 options, recovery or bootloader. Tap on bootloader to boot your mobile phone into bootloader option. Now get back to your computer, and in your computer you have to download 2 files. The USB driver for your OnePlus device and the ADB platform tools. Now first extract the USB driver folder and install the OnePlus USB driver on your computer. Now after that, extract the ADB platform tools and go to the platform tools folder, and here on the navigation bar click and search for CMD, then press enter and it will open up the command prompt. Now on your command prompt, type fastboot space devices, then press enter and here you can see your device ID. Now to unlock the bootloader, type here fastboot OEM unlock, then press enter. And on your mobile phone you will get this type of screen to unlock the bootloader. Now using the volume down key, select or unlock the bootloader option, then click on power button to select the OEM unlock option, and after some time it will wipe out your mobile phone and unlock the bootloader. But before unlocking the bootloader, make sure you have backup all of your data from your mobile phone, because it's going to wipe out your mobile phone completely. So unlocking process has been completed. Now you have to set up your mobile phone again. Let me quickly do it. Now again go to settings, go to about phone, tap on build number couple of times to enable the developer option, then search for developer option, and now here you can see OEM unlocking option is grayed out, and here it will show us the bootloader is already unlocked. Now again try to power off your phone, click on this 3-dot and select the bootloader, and now here you can see the device state is unlocked. That means your bootloader is unlocked. So guys, like this you can easily unlock the bootloader of any OnePlus device or your OnePlus 60 device. The process is same for any OnePlus device. So guys, that's all for today. I hope you like this video. If you really like this video and enjoyed this video, then please give it a big thumbs up and share this video with your friends. And guys, if you're new to this channel, then please do subscribe this YouTube channel and don't forget to press the bell icon to get all the latest upcoming video tutorial notification. I'm Mehdi Shakil, you are watching a SSTec tutorial, and I'm signing out.